adventurers, I'm Dana and welcome to the Do It Like Dana series. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a creamy lemon and dill risotto. It only consists of 16 ingredients, 4 of them being spices. It'll take 15 minutes to prep and 1 hour to bake. And with that being said, let's dive in. Overall, I think risotto is really common with mushrooms, but a lot of my friends have been telling me that mushrooms aren't their most favorite vegetable, which is totally understandable with its texture. So I want to still make risotto that's also creamy, and so I decided to try this recipe by Pickup Limes. Quick shout out to Sadia. So before we get started, I just want to highlight a few ingredients that really make this dish shine. You're going to want to pick a nice bag of short grain rice. Another ingredient that I want to highlight is leek. Another ingredient to highlight is dill, and it's just so good because it adds this extra punch. Lemon and dill combination really help to heighten and lighten all the flavors. One thing that you definitely don't want to miss in this recipe is some pine nuts. It'll add an extra crunch to it, and as well as this earthy flavor as well. So this dish is going to serve about 8 to 10 people. It consists of about 8 larger sized tomatoes, 2 medium sized onions, and 2 leeks. First step is to boil 6 cups of water if you're going to use the bouillon cubes. Otherwise, you can just use the vegetable stock. The second step would be to preheat your oven to 390. Then you're going to want to combine the chopped leeks, the chopped onions, and the chopped tomatoes.
Then add 4 garlic cloves.
Then you're going to want to combine equal parts of short grain rice and the cannellini beans. I really like adding beans to anything that I eat if I can, because it just adds protein and also this nice earthy flavor. Once the water starts boiling, go ahead and add 4 of the vegetable cubes. Then you're going to want to add 4 bay leaves. To add extra protein, you're going to want to add 2/3 cup of nutritional yeast. I love nutritional yeast. It's so flavorful. It's really important to add olive oil whenever you're baking beans, because beans really soak up that olive oil and make it kind of open up its flavors more. So I'm using the Graza olive oil, which is like a really great quality of olive oil without breaking your bank. And then you're just going to eyeball some chili flakes. I like having a little bit of kick in there, and then some pepper, of course, and a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. All the dry ingredients are in the dish. You're going to add the 6 cups of boiling water. And then you're going to want to mix up all of the ingredients together. Get it nice and evenly spread. Okay, so now that everything looks pretty evenly spread, we're going to cover this baking dish with foil. And once that's covered with foil, go ahead and bake it for 1 hour at 390. Oh, that's really heavy.
In the meantime, let's make our dill sauce. To a bowl, add chopped dill, freshly squeezed lemon juice, olive oil, and salt and pepper. And once it's done baking, go ahead and remove the bay leaves and combine your dill, lemon, and olive oil dressing with the risotto. And voila! Thanks for watching, friends. See you next time.